So for this drawing, the first thing that I would do, I'll draw a rectangle. So I'll go to my dimension layer. Sorry, that I mean construction layer. Type left click, drag, and this is 150, 150, tab 100, 100, enter. That is done. My next step, space bar to restart the command, left click, then go 150 plus 10 plus 10 is 170. So it's 170 on the x-axis. Press tab key, 5 for thickness. That is done. Left click, type M for move, then enter. Use a base point which is here, then drop this right here. I will then go up to line, left click on line, click here, drag, then press tab key. The angle is 30, so I would type 30, then enter, enter, then space bar, then left click here, drag, press the tab key again, and this time we type 150, enter, enter. Then trim, TR, enter, enter, click here, click there, it is done. Then draw a line, alpha line, left click here, space out a little bit, then I go across here, enter. Then divide div, enter. Number of parts, select object to be divided first. Number of segments I want is 10, 1, 0, enter. No, I'm not seeing anything. I mean, I need to change my point type. PTYPE, enter. Change that to something more notable. Set absolute. Okay. Yeah, these are. So now I need to add my circles to these. Yeah, so I left click here, a circle. Let this be 1. Enter. Then copy. CO, enter. Click here. Drop 1 there. 1 there. 1 there. 1 here. 1 here. Again here. 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 1 there. And also 1 here. Escape trim. TR, enter, enter. Touch this part. Go across here. And touch this part. Escape. Right click. I'm deleting those. I don't need those anymore. Those are some very large nodes. Delete those nodes. Delete. Uh-oh, delete one of those. CO, enter. Choose you as a base point. Then drop that there to replace that. Delete this line. Now that part is done. Now to draw my window, I'll go to our door, REC for rectangle, enter. So you'll notice I always use rectangle or circle. Rectangle, the width is 25, 25, tab key, 50, 50, enter. That is done. That is done. Then line, L here for line, left click here, up, 7, enter, enter. And then left click this, M for move, enter. Left click here, left click there. That is done. No click and note, delete this. That is done. Line, L for line, left click here. Could track this up. 33, 33, enter. Then I go 10, 1, 0, enter, enter. That is the base for the window. For the window, I now click or type REC, then left click here, The window is on the x-axis, 20 on the x-axis, tab 27 on the y-axis, enter. That is done. I then go to circle, C, enter, left click here, left click there, escape. Trim, TR, enter, enter, touch right there, escape. I now draw a line, L for line, enter, line from here down to this, enter. I then divide this, div, enter, select object, left click here, enter. Number of segments I want is 4, so I press 4, enter. I then explode this, left click, type X for explode, then enter. I then copy this, I left click, type CO for copy, then enter. I then left click here, then touch, click there, that is done. These nodes are large, so I'll be deleting these nodes. Delete. That is now done. Now I need 4. Again, I'm going to divide this into 4. Left click, div, enter. Select that, enter. Number of segments I want is 4, enter. That is now done. I then go to ray, so I type RAY, enter. Left click here, then click here, click, enter. That is now done. I type trim, TRIM, or TR, enter, TR, enter, left click, drag. Left click this, left click that, delete. That is now done. Now I'm going to move this in the drawing. So I left click here, then drag, left click, type M for move, M, enter. I now choose 0 as the base point. Then I click right here. That is there. I then mirror this. So I left click here, MI from mirror, enter. I choose in the middle right here, there, enter. That is there. Right. And now for the steers, I left click here. I then go 25, enter, then continue. Is it 60? 60, enter. That is now done. All right. Now I'm gonna check to see how many go I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 go. So I don't even need to divide this line in this case. And so I know that well, I could. Let me just go to the process. So here, div, enter. Select object, left click here, enter. Number of segments 6, enter. That is done. Now for the rise, I left click here. I go up 70, up 70, enter. Now for the rise, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 risers. So div, enter, left click here. Number of segments is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 7. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 7, 7, 8, enter. This is 10 by 10. So I'm gonna draw rectangle. Oh no, rectangle. Delete. I could go ahead and draw lines there, but I'm not gonna do that. So this is one riser. That's one riser. There's a line somewhere here. I'm gonna draw this line up. I'm gonna use my outline, polyline, and I'm gonna start here. Turn on ortho. That is on. Left click here, left click there. Enter. That is one. Now I'm gonna copy this. Well, I could delete this now. Copy. CO, enter. Left click here as the base point. 1, Just copy them right there, and that is it. So I could lengthen this side, lengthen this to this, escape trim, TR, enter, enter. Or in this case, I would need to turn on this can go now, and you turn on intersection. Now I'm going to offset this, explode this first, X enter. Then I'm going to offset this down, offset this by offset O enter. Let me use through T enter because I'm not quite sure that wasn't labeled. So I'm going to use probably use 5 enter. That's that. Now I'm going to draw a line here, go back to my construction layer, and I'm going to draw a line, L for line, a line from here down to here. I'm going to offset this, O enter, offset distance, accept through, left click here. So I'm going to need this to be about 10, 1, 0, enter, enter, 10, yeah. I'm going to delete this, I'm going to offset this by 10 as well, O enter, offset distance of 1, 0, enter, that is there. Oh, undo, I should say redo. Alright, okay. Offset, enter, enter, left click, down. Now I'm gonna trim, TR, enter, enter, click here, click there. And I'm gonna go MA, enter, touch this, touch that. I could drag, and that is now done. I could extend EX, enter, enter, touch this, and that's basically done. I could go use match property, MA, enter, touch this, then select here, and that would have been in outline. So that would have been done. Then I draw a line, L, enter, from here to there. Match property, MA, enter, touch this. That is done. And this is now done. Just like that, that is done.